Brianna's Bananas Cooking Show. Here we go!
Hello my bananas, it's Brianna. Welcome back to my kitchen. Welcome back to my kitchen, bananas. I've missed you. It's about time we've had a long video again. And it's about time that I've updated one of my first videos that I made. A breakfast croissant pizza. This video I made before I bought a microphone. This video was a little low quality, but it's still a good watch. I'm very charismatic. Anyways, so if you want to go back and compare this video to my first croissant video, go ahead. Today, I'm updating the video, like I said. In my first video, I said we were gonna make croissant pizza out of shit from my pantry. And today we're gonna do the same exact thing. So, let me do my magic thing and get all my ingredients out. Okie dokie. Now, I always have some tater tots in my freezer because I love me some tater tots. Get your own tater tots. Anyways, I have some tater tots that I've already baked off, okay? I have an avocado. I have some milk, some flour, some butter, which I forgot to get out. Some butter. And some eggs, some garlic, seasonings. In my first video, they haven't invented this yet. And I just got regular crescent rolls. This is a crescent dough sheet. Okay? So we don't have to pinch nothing together. It's just one sheet. Half a step gone. I'm going to start by opening this crescent dough sheet. I'm going to lay it out on this. I'm going to start making country gravy. We're going to scramble some eggs. We're going to go from there. Oh my God, I still think this is the scariest thing in the world. And that's why. It's like a freaking Jack-in-the-Box. You never know when it's going to pop open. Especially right next to your face. Keep the directions for your crescent dough, because that's how we're going to bake it. Just roll it out. Now, my last video, I left this unbaked, and then I put all my toppings on it, and then I baked it. And it was a little soggy. So this time, I'm going to pre-bake it a little, even though the directions say to just throw everything on there and throw it in the oven. I'm just going to pre-bake it a little bit so it gets nice and crusty and flaky. Okay. Oven is preheating. So I'm going to get started on my gravy. So I'm going to take a couple tablespoons of butter, start melting it. I'm going to take some flour, also probably the same amount, a couple tablespoons. As this butter is melting and getting hot, I'm going to throw a little bit of garlic in there. Okay. Just throw in my couple tablespoons of flour. Crack open my milk. You can use whole milk, you can use cream. I'm using 2% because that's what I have in my fridge. And I just kind of eyeball this. It's going to end up being like 1 to 2 cups. But just keep gradually adding a little bit at a time, your milk. And it'll slowly start like coming together and looking like a white gravy. Keep it on the heat so the milk will come up to heat and boil and thicken everything. I haven't even shown you guys what I got for Christmas. I got these automatic salt and pepper grinders, and they're so cool and I love them. So I'm gonna add a bunch of pepper. Saves me so much wrist work. I love it. 100% recommend. You don't want the gravy too thin because then it's going to run everywhere, make your dough soggy again. You don't want it too thick because then it's not going to be good. So I actually think I put about 1/2 cup to a cup in there. I'm just waiting for it to boil again so I can see how thick it actually is. So all we have is garlic, salt, and pepper in there. If we want, which we do want right now, we can go a little crazy and grab some more seasonings. Got some onion flakes, some cayenne, a little bit of Italian. You guys know how I love Italian seasoning. Okay. This is actually looking a little thick, so I'm going to thin it out. Okay. Pre-baked my crust for 5 minutes. Okay, let me try to get you some closer shots. So it's started baking a little. It's no longer doughy. And gravy. I don't know if you can see this. I hope you can. But it has thickened. Looks nice. Smells nice. We're in good shape. Okay. Sauce aside, let's scramble some eggs. I'm going to do 4 eggs just so it's nice and substantial. There's 2 of us eating a pizza, you know. 4 eggs seems good. With my eggs, my scrambled eggs, I always splash a little bit of water. Just so it kind of volumizes the eggs a little bit. It helps bring them together. It's not going to make it watery. If you put milk, it ends up being watery because the milk will just end up separating into the eggs and the water will separate out. Get a little more butter, another tablespoon. I like to whip my eggs until they get just a little bit frothy. So then I know it's all like homogenized, it's starting to get fluffy. Let's put some more salt and pepper. You know what you guys could also do with your breakfast pizza? Instead of tater tots, you could do hash browns. have like a nice layer of hash browns. And instead of scrambled eggs, if you don't like them scrambled, you can do them just like crack them on top of your pizza and put it in the oven like that, and they'll just cook on top of your pizza, and they'll come out like over medium, or like, you know, they'll be nice and yolky, but the whites will be cooked. You'll have a yolky pizza. If I could have, I would have went and got some bacon and some green onions, but it's actually been really, really rainy around here lately, and it's kind of flooding a lot of areas, some streets and stuff. Over where I live, it's flooded a couple streets, but they're like dirt roads, not a lot of people go on them. So I thought I'd just stay in this morning, put on some PJs, nice and comfy, make a nice comfy croissant pizza. So you guys can join me, put on your PJs, make some breakfast, make some breakfast with me. Okay, those are nice and scrambled. Gravy's done. Avocado's gonna wait till it gets out of the oven. So let's bring my crust back. Spread my lovely sauce. I forgot to mention cheese. So I got a little bit of Mexican cheese and this triple pepper jack cheese. But of course, you can use whatever cheese you want. It's your pizza. It's your pantry, your pizza. So I'm gonna do a nice bottom layer of cheese. I'm gonna throw in my eggs now. Preheat the oven again. Remember how much time was left when you pulled your croissant dough out? Okay. Bring in our tater. I saved it. Almost dropped it. Bring back our tater tots like I was saying. Top it with more cheese. If you also want, you can put a tiny bit of salsa into your eggs when you're cooking it. So yeah, some like salsa rancho eggs. Sounds good, I should have done that. Okay. Everything's nicely spread and ready for my oven. Great timing. So I'm gonna pop this back in, and then I'll get back at you when I pull it back out. Okay, bananas, it's out of the oven. I'm gonna cut it up, and I'm super excited. I've only put avocado on half of it, just for some variety, you know. But I'm gonna cut it into 8s. Ooh, cheesy. Okay, this looks pretty good. It looks better than my first pizza, which was Spam and eggs and country gravy and the croissant dough. It wasn't bad, but Spam, I don't know. Spam is always in my cupboard though. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. I wasn't sure at first, but all the flavors are like, they come in one by one, feels like. You get the gravy, it's nice and spicy and creamy. Tater tots are crunchy. The eggs. And then the spicy cheese and then the avocado at the end. I like it. And I like this croissant sheet. I didn't have to pinch anything together. It was a good idea for me to pre-bake this because it seems like it would have been a little more soggy if I didn't. Not that it's soggy now. It's just like a little bit flimsy because of the croissant dough is so weak. I mean, delicate. It's delicate and flaky. All right. I guess that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you go back and suffer through watching my first breakfast croissant pizza video. That was from 3 years ago. Remember to share this with your friends. Share it all around wherever you can. Trying to get to at least 200 subscribers. I've been at 160 for forever. So please help me grow my banana bunch. That will really encourage me to keep making these videos for you guys. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and comment. And see you next week with another video. Bye-bye.